I had to pause for a cause. So my first hour of garden maintenance. Let's have a look at it. Ta-da! What do you think? We are getting there slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Today is just cutting. Tomorrow we are expecting some bad weather, so I'm gonna see if I can get here early, like 6:30, and try my best at maybe chopping up these the shrubbery and putting it out in the garbage. But so far so good. We're getting there. It's a lot of work to be done. We'll be getting there. Now, my Acalypha plant looks like it's going to be a real challenge. It is beautiful but overgrown. So I have to trim it. But the problem is I have bougainvillea growing behind that. And if you know bougainvillea, they are very thorny. But you know what? No challenge is ever too great for a man like me. So let's get to it. Right, so after 30 minutes of cutting, pruning, pulling, this is where I am. I know it looks horrible, but it was required because I needed to get some air and some sunlight down to the roots and inside in the middle of the plants, especially since it's so damp and they're breeding a lot of snails and slugs. I need to get aeration, get some air flowing through here, and deal with these slugs that are eating my bougainvillea down. Look at it. See? Snails and slugs. So the best thing to do with this was to cut it back and treat it. So I'm going to get some blue pellets for snails. I'll probably get some slug poison, some kind of slug to spray on the leaves to see if that will eradicate all these damn snails. Because my bougainvillea is not blooming at all because the snails are taking a turn on it. But anyhow, we have done, well, not we, you are watching. I am working. A lot of work. I've exposed the rocks again where my ferns used to be. See, no sun has killed off some right here in this area. So now I have exposed sunlight again. You should see some better growth. And these bougainvilleas will grow back. They will start growing from tomorrow, as a matter of fact. That's one thing about when you cut back bougainvillea, not bougainvillea, sorry. Well, any plant, but Acalypha, when you cut it back, the next day you come out, you can see some very new leaves sprouting out. So in 2 weeks, this should be blooming again. Well, still a lot of work to be done. I gotta trim my tree. I gotta pull down all these dead limbs up my palms. And we gotta get this ready for Chris, who I want to come on Sunday and work on my lawn. So this bucket of water here was catching to water the plants. Had a bit of mosquito larvae in here, but I treated it with some chlorine. And now I am going to treat it with some oil that will kill all those mosquitoes. And I'm going to throw some in my toilet bowl as well and flush it, that it can go right down in the septic tank, kill any mosquitoes that are breeding there. So in conclusion, let's have a look again. Looks pretty good over here. My sister did that. She is the one who cleaned up that area. Now it's left for me to get one of my guys to come tomorrow early in the morning and we could finish this job. So there's still a lot to go. I gotta cut these calipers here, those ones over there, and go up in the tree and pull down those dead branches. So until tomorrow, I want to tell you, have yourself a very good day.